Sounds are more than just noise. They are information. We believe the capacity to hear is essential in creating a smart future. With the right algorithms, software, and processing environment know-how, it's possible to hear what can't be seen, isolate the important sounds from the noise, and enhance situational awareness. The range of possible applications for this technology is wide, from autonomous vehicles to smart cities, and from industrial environments to security and rescue. Meluta Advanced Execution, MAX, is a versatile software platform for acoustic and vibroacoustic signal processing. It is capable of enhanced sound streaming, localization, and detection, and can help you recognize the important sounds amid the noise with machine learning. With Meluta MAX, we are ready to develop the solutions you need. Sound good? Let us hear what you need at meluta.com.